Okay, so yesterday I was testing the review my post button, and I put it on my blog for like maybe 10-20 minutes at the most, and Posties apparently have already seen it.
You put it on your public blog?
Yeah, just to test it, because that's the only blog I have.
Oh God. We have a huge rollout next week of features, and we're keeping all of it secret. And from what Trevor was just saying, he's kind of let the cat out of the bag in that he put one of the features, which is review my blog, he put it on his blog to test it. The absolute worst case is if TechCrunch were to spot that and start blogging about it, the whole world would know, and then our competitors get an insight into what we're doing as well.
I mean, it was only there for like a few minutes, and they're like right on it.
You've just got to be aware, the whole world is watching everything you do now. Don't do that again.
Oh, ever.
Where's the chicken hat?
I get the chicken hat for that?
I'm sorry, man. Trevor gets the chicken hat. This is the chicken hat of code breakage. When somebody does something stupid and it all breaks, they get this for putting a review my post badge on his blog in public for everybody to see. I'm proud to present this to Trevor.
Thank you.
Everybody okay? A little bit stressed?
The pressure.
Pressure's good. Would you like to tell the team, Terrence, what you achieved this morning?
Making a mess is what I achieved this morning. Basically what happened was I neglected to put in a where statement in a query on the live server. So instead of changing one record, I changed every record.
What did you, in English, do?
In English, I changed every offer ins amount and all the opportunities to tomorrow.
You basically opened up all the expired ops.
I'm getting the dump down now.
How long?
Before the end of the day, for certain.
What if we use the data that we have on staging and just pull all the dates?
Do that. Okay, let's go fix this. Every single up in the system now expires tomorrow.
I think we should take the site down.
Let's do that.
Right. Take the site down.
Okay.
Site's going down for the next hour.
Are you joking?
See, by just doing just a dump, that only gives a picture of the data right now.
Yeah, the bad data. I mean, this will buy you some time.
Yeah.
I have a meeting with Pete and the developers to go over the rollout of the new application. This is a huge release for us, so it's got to be absolutely perfect. If it's not there, then I'm going to push it back and wait a week and make sure that we've created the best piece of software that we possibly can.
So for viral sign up, basically what we've got set up so far is the badge.
This button needs to be like small.
The one underneath it.
Even that I think is too big. I think it needs to be longer and skinnier.
It's going to be, I guess, a different one when we get the graphics for it.
Say that program is like 15% done.
Well, the code behind the scenes is pretty much all done.
To me, if we were more done, we would see a page where that little button was, and I could click on that, and it would take me through the process. So what percentage would you say we're done?
I'd say about 25 to 30.
All right, buglet.
But this is the actual buglet graphic that goes at the bottom of the blog entry.
You've got some spacing issues that are driving me a little bit crazy here.
On the live server, it's lined up perfectly. So I was trying to get the core of it working, and then I'll straighten all that stuff out for you.
Okay.
Who's next?
Investor dashboard. You'll definitely be able to get a grip with usage of what it is you want to see and what it is you want to compare.
The only other thing that drives me a little bit crazy, these graphs here, I'll just be honest, I don't know how happy these guys will be about that.
Well, the reason we went with that is it lets them compare trends.
They could do that manually before. Re-displaying this information doesn't help us. The deliverable that we talked about was a business intelligence interface. This is not a business intelligence interface. Overall, guys, I just want to say that I'm getting concerned with how we're developing. We're getting to the point where now we're like a week or a week and a half away, and nobody asks me questions. I feel like we all just go off and people program, and you guys have one thing in your mind, I have another thing in my mind, and we're missing the mark. Because I'm just concerned right now, it's like none of these things are at 100%, and a lot of them are below 50%, and we don't have that much time to go. I can't not have this stuff done. Hi. We've got a lot of work to do in order to get to where I'll feel comfortable with what we have, get everything done and ship shape so that we can really impress the investors. I'm pretty confident that everybody's going to pitch in and pull it out in the end.
With he had a deliverable. Ted had a deliverable for the board meeting, which was refine the user interface. I thought foolishly that would be tweaks here and there. It's not. It's every single screen in the entire application. The whole application looks different. It's a little terrifying. I don't think there's much chance of us coming out of this without a confrontation. I really don't.